Look in any New Zealand child's school bag and you're likely to find one of these, a school workbook made by Croxley. Croxley have been manufacturing and distributing stationery in New Zealand since the 1920s, so it comes as no surprise that this company is committed to caring for New Zealand's environment. Their journey began with recycling, but soon it was time for a more robust environmental management program.
There was significant demand from end users for Croxley to have a credible environmental management system backing up their systems.
So to do this, they enlisted the help of Enviro-Mark.
When we looked at EnviroMark, that there was significant chance for cost reduction, things like energy saving, reducing waste to landfill, more recycling, more focused recycling. As we got into sort of around gold level of EnviroMark, we took a particular focus on waste to landfill. We achieved a 50% reduction in the 2009 year. We followed that up with a further 30% reduction the following year.
As well as an 18% reduction in power usage, Croxley's more focused recycling led them to separate high-value paper waste and actually create income of close to $200,000.
The cost, or the perceived cost that you might see with EnviroMark, the benefits far outweigh that cost. You can recoup that cost easily, I think, by focusing in on projects like we have with recycling and that type of thing. We've had situations where with the high value waste that we now separate and bale, we've actually paid for recycling equipment easily within 2 years.
But it's about more than just money. EnviroMark's independent auditing ensures credibility to Croxley's achievements.
We didn't want to have an internal story around environmental accreditation. We wanted to benchmark against an external, and that therefore made it meaningful. We're finding that with envelopes, the quotations, tenders that are coming through specifically from corporates and government departments now are requesting environmental accreditation. They want us to be able to document and evidence it, which we can now do with high success. We're making sure that we're making our message very clear out to market and what we offer, and it's very important that I think we put that very strongly alongside the Croxley brand.
Croxley's commitment to the environment and the EnviroMark program has also resulted in wider changes to how they do business.
The end user and our customers are looking for us to be responsible. I think they expect us to be responsible, and that in turn, is put back on the supply base. We need to be sure that we're sourcing raw materials that is coming from a sustainable source, and that's part of our process. And I would say that covers every raw material that we purchase. We want to know where it's manufactured, we want to know the conditions that it's been manufactured under, so it's absolutely key to us that we know the source.
For everyone from our resellers to our retailers to our household shoppers, we're able to ensure them that the product that they're purchasing is at a high environmental standard, as well as safe from toxins, carcinogenics, which for parents and those buying the school books for their children is a big factor to consider.
So it's good to know that when you send your child to school with their new Croxley books, that they're not only safe, but they've been produced with the future of the planet in mind.